Hoarding is more common than people think, and it affects more than just the home. Behind every cluttered room, there's a person, a story, a struggle most people don't see. At First Hoarding Cleanup, we understand how hard it can be to ask for help, and we know how quickly a space can become overwhelming. But no matter how difficult it feels today, there's always a way forward. Today, we're sharing 5 transformations, real before and afters, of homes we helped reclaim, with respect, compassion, and zero judgment. Here we have a space before we stepped in. It's cluttered, disorganized, and overwhelming. Let's see the transformation. After our expert team completed the cleanup, the space is now clear, safe, and livable again. Notice the vast improvement in cleanliness and organization. This is just the beginning. Next, we have another challenging situation. This bathroom was filled with items that made it impossible to move around or even use the space efficiently. But with the right approach, we made it right. Look at this transformation. Every corner of this bathroom has been cleared. The homeowners now have room to breathe and use their home again. Here, we tackled a particularly tough cleanup. The hoarded items have piled up over time, but we are prepared to handle it with care and professionalism. After our thorough cleanup, the space is completely transformed, clean, organized, and ready for a fresh start. This is an example of how hoarding can affect not just the home, but the people living in it. It can feel impossible to overcome on your own, but that's where we come in. You can see the difference after we decluttered this kitchen. A clutter-free space leads to a clearer mind and a healthier environment for everyone. One final example. This hoarded house was perhaps one of the toughest challenges we ever faced, but we are equipped to handle even the most difficult cleanups, no matter the size or scope. After our cleanup, the transformation is complete. A clean home isn't just about looks. It's about giving families back their peace of mind. We're here to help with compassion, professionalism, and complete discretion. Whether it's helping you declutter a small space or a full cleanup, we're ready when you are. If you or someone you love is struggling with hoarding, know that you're not alone. We understand that taking the first step can feel overwhelming, but it's also the most important one. Don't wait for tomorrow. Reach out to First Hoarding Cleanup for a free, confidential consultation, because everyone deserves a safe and livable space.